In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to kick Meta AI from a WhatsApp group. Now, you might be wondering if there's a straightforward way to do this, like removing a regular group member. Well, it's not quite that simple, but don't worry, I'm here to guide you through the process. First, let's clear up a common misconception. Meta AI, when it appears as a feature in WhatsApp, such as a search bar or an AI button, is integrated into the app by Meta. In this form, you can't just remove or ban it like you would with a regular group member. It's not something you can simply kick out, as it's built into the WhatsApp experience itself. However, there are certain situations where you might find Meta AI in your group chat, specifically when someone uses the tag at Meta AI, prompting it to reply within the conversation. In these instances, you can take steps to manage its presence. If you're a group admin, you're in the driver's seat and have a few options at your disposal. Start by opening the WhatsApp group where Meta AI has made an appearance. Locate the message from Meta AI and then tap and hold either the message or Meta AI's name if it's displayed. You'll see an option to delete the message, which will remove its replies from the chat. This is a quick way to clean up the conversation. To prevent Meta AI from popping up again, consider adjusting the group settings. You can enable admin-only messaging, which will limit who can send messages in the group and effectively restrict the use of the @MetaAI tag. Alternatively, you can communicate with your group members and kindly ask them not to use the @MetaAI tag in the future. Now, if you're not the group admin, your options are a bit more limited. In this case, you can't directly remove Meta AI yourself. However, you can reach out to the admin and request that they delete the messages where Meta AI has replied. You might also suggest that they implement the same restrictions we just discussed, like limiting the tagging of @MetaAI. It's important to note this key point. Meta AI isn't a real group member you can permanently kick out. It only appears when someone triggers it using the @MetaAI tag. WhatsApp currently doesn't offer a full remove AI option, so any management of Meta AI will have to be handled within these constraints. In summary, while you can't directly kick Meta AI from the group like a regular member, there are steps you can take to manage its presence. By understanding how Meta AI operates and using the available tools in WhatsApp, you can keep your group chat free from unwanted AI interruptions. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you maintain the group chat environment you prefer.